Welcome to a quick, friendly guide on how to make your birthday visible to only friends on Facebook. If you're curious about tightening your privacy or just keeping the celebration private, well, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you update your settings in minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your device. From there, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. This is your gateway to all the important options you'll need. Next, scroll down a bit and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. You'll land in a hub of privacy and account controls. Don't worry, the path is straightforward and you'll find what you need without any guesswork. In the Settings menu, locate the section labeled Account Center. Under this section, tap Personal Details. This area holds the information you've shared about yourself, including your date of birth. Now, tap Date of Birth. Here you'll find the visibility options for who can see your birthday on Facebook. Tap Change Visibility on Facebook to adjust who gets to view this information. You'll see several visibility choices. Choose Friends to ensure that only people you're connected with as friends can see your birthday. This helps keep the detail away from the broader public while still letting your close friends join in the celebration. After selecting Friends, tap Save to lock in your preference. Your birthday will now display only to your friends, not to the general public or acquaintances you've not connected with on Facebook. If you ever want to adjust again, maybe to make it visible to a broader circle or to hide it entirely, you can return to the same date of birth settings and switch the visibility at any time. This makes your privacy easy to manage as your comfort level changes. And that's all there is to it. A quick, privacy-focused tweak that keeps your birthday experiences personal. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share with friends who might want a similar privacy upgrade. Have any other Facebook settings you want simplified? Drop a comment and I'll break them down in the next guide.